moved to this home last year, one of our cats, Roxy, immediately became
What?
terrified. When we moved in, we brought the cats first, and we put them in our back room, and then we moved in all of our
While they were in
Tito.
that room together,
Tito.
there was no fighting?
As far as we
Tito.
know,
Okay. Something happened. Obviously, there has to be a
Tito.
event. All right, so then
What? 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 What, little man? What? What's he doing? What's he doing? Tito. Oof. 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 Arr. Oof. Oof. Arr. 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 What? Stop. What? What do you want? Oh. 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 What do you want? Why are you screaming at me? Why are you screaming at me? Tito. 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 What are you doing?